Bad actors and criminal minds, sociopaths and terrorists included, are known to strike when people feel safe, calm, and in a good mood. Times when they let their guard down. But the police are not having any of it or taking chances, going on high alert, even to protect and serve the public on this happiest and most peaceful time of the year. Our Ryan Lesigas has more.
No threats have been identified by the Philippine National Police or PNP for the upcoming holiday season thus far. However, the PNP has increased its deployment to ensure criminals cannot take advantage of the situation. The PNP will deploy up to 41,000 police officers to monitor activities in certain locations during the holiday season. PNP Chief Police General Romel Francisco Marbil has ordered all regional directors to implement strict security measures during the holiday season. Marbil specifically instructed his team to monitor markets, malls, changes, recreational areas, transportation hubs, and traffic congested locations. General Marbil stated the aim is to protect the public from potential criminal activities during this period.
Peculiarity po ng areas yung ating tinitignan. Kung ikaw po ay nakadeploy sa isang mataong lugar, it would be prudent on their part to increase po yung kanilang deployment. So we also expect pa rin po, habang papalapit po itong Kapaskuhan at pagpapalit po ng taon, ay magkakaroon pa rin po ng adjustment pagdating po sa figures po na ibinibigay po dito sa National Headquarters.
The PNP is also urging the public to be cautious of online scams, especially when booking hotel accommodations through unreliable travel agencies. As a result, the PNP leadership has instructed the Anti-Cybercrime Group to intensify information dissemination against such scams and warn the public about clicking unsafe links. The PNP will also monitor the planned rally of the INC in support of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s stance against the impeachment complaint filed against Vice President Sara Duterte.
By next week po, effective December 15 ay wala na po tayong papayagan na mag-leave sa ating mga kapulisan, except of course doon sa may mga emergency po na kailangan po nilang asikasuhin. This is to make sure na may sapat po tayong bilang na i-deploy come holiday season.
Meanwhile, the Philippine Coast Guard is also on heightened alert in preparation for security measures as the number of travelers surge and swell during the holiday season. In line with this, PCG Commandant Admiral Ronnie Hilgavan has ordered all districts, stations, and substations to intensify monitoring to ensure security at ports, ferry terminals, and maritime transportation. The PCG will also deploy personnel to the beaches and private resorts nationwide, which are expected to be crowded with tourists. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.